Hi, so today is the 4th of September and we will look at the charts of NTPC and Indiamart. Now we are looking at this from a specific function of how did we identify the bottoms in both the charts, and you can look at this video which I had posted on NTPC on 13th of July, where we had said that there is likely to be a bottom placed in NTPC and NTPC is likely to go up. We had personally gone long on NTPC at 138 levels and we have been rolling our positions ever since. So this was the chart of NTPC on 13th of July, where we had identified a ABC decline and an ending diagonal to end wave C. So what has happened after that? Let us have a look. So this is the updated chart of NTPC. We bought it around here 137. It went up very nicely and broke through this trend line channel, retested this channel and now continues to move up. So we are still long on NTPC and our open profits on this one position is about 1,65,000 rupees. So we could book profits here because it is making a double top. But if you look at all previous up moves, after a three-wave decline, the chart just goes on to move and make a new high. Then there is a three-wave decline and it goes up. Then it goes up and makes a new high. So we will be waiting for it to make another high, and our logical profit target should come around 180 rupees. So that would be a nice trade, a very clean, straightforward trade in a stock which is very strong historically. You also see the momentum patterns which are very interesting. NTPC for the last few days or for almost 3 weeks, the RSI has refused to go anywhere below 60. It is staying stuck at 60. That means there is a lot of buying pressure on this stock and this stock should do well. If you can see historically, the stock actually tops out when RSI goes around 80. So we are still long on the NTPC and let us see how this performs. But you can see how by using the Elliott wave principle, we could almost catch the bottom of this move and nothing to be done, just buy and hold and watch. Obviously, you have to have stops in the market all the time, but the stops can be trailing at previous swing lows and below. So that is about the NTPC. So similarly, we posted an analysis on Indiamart on 16th of July. That is Indiamart bottoming out, and you can go and watch this analysis. And again, we were thinking that this is a flat correction which was finishing with an ending diagonal with the RSI bullish divergence. All of that is discussed in that video. So let us go back and now visit the present moment and see what Indiamart has been doing. So this is the current chart of Indiamart, where we had thought that this was a flat correction, the C wave, a 5-wave C down ending with the 5th wave of the C having a ending diagonal kind of pattern. And at that time we said that we will be buying some calls of Indiamart around this level, and we were going to be bullish on it. So we have done that. So Indiamart initially went up very nicely and then had a 3-wave decline. This 3-wave decline is the telling sign that things are turning around. So what happened? Yesterday Indiamart went up by 7.5%. And isn't that amazing? So this is how we picked almost the bottom on Indiamart, and now there are a lot of bullish signs on Indiamart. First of all, there is a nice inverted head and shoulder here, which has now been penetrated. And let us look at the RSI also. The RSI shows a very strong, initially RSI was maintaining below 40 while it was going down and it could never cross 60. But once this moves happened, RSI went comfortably above 60, came down and made a low just above 40 and now it's moving back above 60. So that is a very strong sign that the stock is now in strong hands and is likely to do very well. So we continue to hold our bullish position on Indiamart, and our first target would be this resistance here at around 5300. But once this is taken out, then we are good to go for much more. Remember, let's go back to the weekly chart here. Weekly chart shows a three-wave decline, which is a flat correction, and a three-wave decline, which is a flat, is always a counter trend move, and which is likely to be fully retraced. So those people who can hold on to deliveries should hold Indiamart now with a target of around 10,000 or more. So that is a tall claim which I am making right now, but believe me, the markets can do that. So at present we are holding a future position, and we will continue to roll this position forward with our trailing stop loss certainly, but we have to be patient with this. So our trailing stop loss right now is around 4200. If it were to trade below this low, then something is wrong, but otherwise we are good to go for much more. So I will let you calculate the profits on this, that we entered somewhere around, I think if you look at the video there, we entered somewhere around 4000 levels or 4100, and we are now around 4800. So we are about 700 points in the money on this, and let us watch if we can get some more. So that is how we use the Elliott wave principle sometimes to almost catch the bottoms in uptrending stocks, and that is what is really very fascinating. So I hope you like the content, and if you do like, do subscribe, share, or comment below the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.